I've got to throw this one in. So we have as a former notorious business development professional, one of the questions is, what do you expect from a good business development manager at a CDMO? Who would like to answer that? I answers to that.
I can provide a
That's
comment.
a killer question, Louis.
Yeah. Well, go ahead and kill it, Christine. Go ahead.
I think it has to be someone who is going to stay the course. So we spoke earlier about good project managers being tough, advocating, negotiating. I want my BD person to stay the course with me as well, whether that's as a key account manager or a, relationship partner, because, they're like the guys that develop the strategy. And if they walk away and never do the execution, it's really easy. I want them to be there through some of the tough times, because it's great to sell me a service and walk away, and it's great to sell me a dream, but I need that turned into reality as well. So, I'm looking to these guys to help me unlock things if the story they sell isn't the same piece. And I think it, similar to a question down below about what happens if your relationship goes off track, you've got to be able to call it out to them and say, this just isn't working for me and I need your help to make it change. And what do I have to do? It's always got to be, what do I have to do as well to enact change? I think that's my thought on BD, guys and girls.